It's been 4 years since a teen fell to his death from the free fall ride here in Orlando.
I hate this. I mean, it's like you just slapping me in my face over and over and over.
His mother is outraged that a ride similar to the one where her son died is being built at another theme park. In a West 2 Investigates exclusive, hear from her and others trying to put the brakes on this project.
Now to a West 2 News Investigates exclusive. 4 years after a teen fell to his death from the free fall ride here in Orlando, we've learned the company that built the ride has delivered another drop tower to a U.S. theme park.
Well, West 2 News investigative reporter Greg Fox is here with us now. And Greg, you heard from that boy's mother.
I did, and she's outraged, absolutely outraged that a similar ride from the same manufacturer is being built. I spoke with her, her attorney, and a member of Congress, and they're all trying to put the brakes on this project.
They killed my son. That's how I look at it. That is horrible. It's horrible. No mother should go through this.
Nekia Dodd tells me she's not sure her broken heart will ever heal. This year, she would have taken her son, Tyre Sampson, to college where he dreamed of playing football. Instead, her days are spent visiting his quiet gravesite.
I can tell you guys what he's going to be, not what he could have been. This is so unfair.
430 feet. That's great. Coming down 75 miles per hour.
4 years ago, Tyre was on the free fall drop tower on I Drive. We're freezing the video here, the moment the 14-year-old fell to his death.
We have a man, he fell off the tower.
Please help.
When it hit the brakes, the guy fell right out of the seat.
Shock and chaos gave way to weeks of investigation. State engineers later confirmed what West 2 Investigates first exposed. 2 seats were improperly adjusted so the shoulder harness could handle large riders. With no safety belt, Tyre slipped out when the ride tilted and dropped. The ride owner, Orlando Eagle Drop Slingshot, paid a $250,000 fine, dismantled and hauled away the free fall, and settled a negligence lawsuit brought by Tyre's grieving parents.
They robbed me. They robbed him. They robbed us.
I lost something when I lost my child.
But when the family sued ride maker Funtime Handels, the Austrian company never showed up for the trial. A jury awarded the family $310 million. 14 months later, Funtime hasn't paid a dime.
That is crazy. It's crazy. I hate this. I mean, it's like you just slapping me in my face over and over and over. I mean, the judgment, you didn't even show up.
Funtime still has a large presence in Central Florida. They built the Star Flyer on International Drive. And then over here next to the wheel at Icon Park, you've got the Slingshot. And now West 2 Investigates has learned that Funtime has sold another drop tower to a Texas theme park. It's planned for Codaland at Circuit of the Americas in Austin.
Your drop tower.
Park executives mentioned the ride several times while giving a tour to our NBC partner, KXAN. And the bill of lading obtained by West 2 Investigates shows Funtime shipped the tower to Codaland in April 2023, just weeks after taking down the Orlando Tower. A Codaland spokesperson emailed us a statement saying, in part, Codaland had no involvement in, connection to, or responsibility for the tragic incident that occurred in Orlando. We respectfully disagree with the premise that the use of the same manufacturer alone establishes a safety concern. No unauthorized modifications have been made to the ride or its safety systems. Another park spokesperson told West 2 Investigates the Austin Tower doesn't have tilting seats and has seat belts. And the park chair told KXAN its drop tower will have no parts from the freefall ride, will limit rider weight to 286 pounds, and riders will have to step on a scale before boarding. That hardly satisfies Tyre's mother.
They should be ashamed.
They made an absolute death trap.
And it doesn't satisfy Sampson family attorney Michael Haggard. He says he'll soon file an injunction in a Texas court.
We're going to record the judgment that was done in Orlando, Florida, record it in Austin, and try to stop them from opening the ride.
I think you need to put the brakes on it.
Local Congressman Maxwell Frost wants construction of any new Funtime rides halted until his office meets with the Departments of State and Commerce. They or Congress could take action to prevent Funtime and other foreign companies from doing business in America while shirking U.S. court judgments.
We know that there's some bad actors, and if we don't aggressively pursue both justice and accountability in those instances, who's to say what's going to happen in the future? So I think this is something that has to be looked into.
Many questions remain 4 years after a boy lost his life on what he hoped would be the thrill of a lifetime.
West 2 Investigates repeatedly reached out to Funtime Handels with no response. Coda Land in Texas did not respond to requests for an on-camera interview. It's unclear when the drop tower in Austin might be built. Michelle?
All right. Thank you so much, Greg.